We are now going to start computing our cut area and fill area for our plan and for our profile. So what we need to do is pin open the properties palette. The properties palette. And what we want to do is scroll way in because our cut and fills are tiny. And here we have our first bisected one. Remember, if it's bisected, then that means you have to put the cut area and the fill area on the same row of the spreadsheet. All right, so we click on the hatching and look at the geometry, and we can actually click on this little calculator and it will give it in square feet. So we just copy it into there. So now I'm going to look to see where this extends until, so it goes all the way until 1141. So this is fill, and I'm going to put it on 1141. Remember, we also need to do it here. So I'll need to add an equal sign. This is handy. It's the total area. So I hatched those at the same time. I need to break them. Our current layer. And I will make a polyline. And figure its area. So now that we're done with the plan, we'll go ahead and do the profile. Now, for these, the projection lines do get in the way. So let's just have the two hatches and the lines. And isolate that. But I do need the projection lines layer. And I need the stations. Here I have to just sort of estimate, or I can do distance from there, do perpendicular, so 23 feet, to be 1546. I need to insert, shift those cells down, control apostrophe. Now that we're done creating the spreadsheet that has all of our profile cut and fill areas in it, we need to provide a little bit of information so that I can help you calculate the end areas at the beginning and end of our alignment. We no longer need this, so I'm going to take it off, it unpinned, it's back to auto hide. And then first I am going to look at the plan. Here at 10, I am going to estimate that this point is 20, 21, 22. That's 22.5, so 122 point. Existing ground at left edge of pavement, 122.2. And at the right edge of pavement is probably 122.4. So now I'm going to do the same thing on the other end of the alignment. So this is 120. 1, 2, 3. Now I need to look on my daylight calcs for the left edge of pavement. Okay. This is what I interpolated. So 122 And now I need to fill in the rest of these at my 4 sections. Now I had made all of these as one hatch, so if I go up to options, I can separate those hatches. Same thing with this.